Welcome back to another episode of Happy Skin Diaries. We're also reviewing popular Korean skincare products from Stylevana. It's no secret that I love Korean skincare. I've been personally using them for years since I was a teenager. One of the things that I love about using Korean skincare is how gentle yet effective their ingredients are. Korean skincare are gaining more and more popularity now, especially here in the United States. So if you want to know where to get the latest Korean skincare products, then let me introduce you to Stylevana. Stylevana is an online shop that has popular Asian beauty products like Korean skincare and Japanese skincare on very affordable price point. When you visit Stylevana, you will be amazed on the vast selection that they have for Korean skincare and Japanese skincare. You'll also even find the hard-to-find brands like Cioris, ILLIYOON, Purito, Nine Wishes, Moonshot, the Etude House Sunjung line, and a lot more. Apart from that, I also appreciate their superb customer service, and I've personally experienced it because I had to change something with my order and they were so quick to respond. Within 24 hours, they were able to help me and guide me through the whole process. One of the major things that I love about Stylevana is they always have a sale going on, and for me that's very important because I know that whenever I shop with them, I will always be able to save money. So Stylevana were really generous and kind enough to send over some products for me to test out and review for you guys today. So without further ado, let's start reviewing these products and I will show you the order of how I use them. The first step in any night skincare routine is to remove makeup, sunscreen, and all the impurities on our skin. To do this, I am using the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Cleansing Oil. This is my first time using a cleansing oil and I am pleasantly surprised with how light it feels on the skin. You will enjoy the watery oil formula and the pump type container, which is really hygienic. I use 1 to 2 pumps for my entire face and neck, distribute it on my dry hands, and start massaging on my face. Formulated with camellia seed oil and jasmine extract, the Nacific cleansing oil deep cleans and removes all my makeup, sunscreen, excess oil, and sweat without stripping my skin of its natural oils. I massage it for about a minute, then I emulsify the product by adding lukewarm water like so, and I rinse it off and go in with my gel cleanser afterwards. This is a really therapeutic experience and I always look forward to it in my nighttime skincare routine. After cleansing, I apply the Cynic First Treatment Essence. I love using essences not only because it gives me extra hydration and glow, but also it maximizes the absorption of the next products that I use. The formula is water-like and does not have any fragrance. I always say one thing about essences, and that is it's like water for your skin, but better. The Cynic First Treatment Essence is formulated with 90% galactomyces ferment filtrate, which is a yeast-derived ingredient packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids with anti-aging and nourishing properties. The way I use this is by dispensing 3 to 4 pumps on clean hands and patting it on my skin until it gets fully absorbed. You may also use a cotton pad and swipe it on your face. Whichever you prefer is entirely up to you. Next, I apply the PETITFEE Premium Gold and EGF Hydrogel Eye Patches to provide extra support and hydration to my eyes. This is definitely something I enjoy after a busy day because of the instant relief from the cooling effect. The PETITFEE Hydrogel Eye Patches contain EGF or epidermal growth factor for increased skin turnover, 24K gold for brightening, and my favorite, green tea and aloe extract for soothing. It also has glycerin for moisturization. Although it has fragrance, it didn't irritate my skin. The Hydrogel Patches itself contains seaweed to promote deep hydration. To use this, simply scoop out a piece with a provided spatula and then apply it to fit your eye shape. You can also use these patches in other areas of your face like the nasolabial fold or laugh lines and in the middle of the forehead. These eye patches are comfortable and have excellent grip on the skin. Use this for about 15 minutes before removing. Next, we have a sheet mask. This is the PUREDERM Avocado Collagen Mask. People that are closest to me knows how much I love using face masks. They're so relaxing and adds extra nourishment to my skin. This specific mask contains a blend of avocado extract, collagen, vitamin E, green tea, and aloe vera extracts, all packed in a natural pulp cloth sheet mask to ensure absorption. Remember to always apply the rest of the essence to the neck and arms so nothing goes to waste. After 15 minutes, I remove both of the sheet and eye mask and reveal a glowing skin. Pat the remaining essence on the skin and let's start locking up all this good stuff with moisturizers. Starting off with the Fruitia Blueberry Hydrating Cream. Before anything else, can we talk about how cute this packaging is? I will definitely repurpose it after I finish the jar. This lightweight gel moisturizer contains 77% blueberry extract that sustains moisture for up to 48 hours. The blueberries are from Jeju Island in South Korea, so you can be sure that the company always uses high-quality ingredients. This moisturizer also passed a skin irritation test, meaning it can be recommended to any skin type. It has a slight blueberry fragrance to it, but my skin didn't show any sign of irritation after 3 weeks of using this. I use this by scooping out some product with a spatula, dotting it around my face and massaging it to the skin. This is great for both daytime and nighttime use because it doesn't feel heavy on the skin and it's not greasy as well. Last but definitely not the least is the ILLIYOON Ceramide Atoll Concentrate Cream. This is the one product that I was really excited to try because of the rave reviews from fellow content creators, and I'm happy to report that it surpassed my expectations. This rich moisturizer is easily one of my favorites because apart from moisturizing, it also contains ceramides that support skin barrier functions. Here's a quick trivia. This contains Ceramide Skin Complex, a patented ingredient that was developed by Amore Pacific and Aistura using the world's first ceramide encapsulation technology. What that does is ensures that the ceramides are delivered and penetrates deep into the skin. This is mostly used as a body cream, but I also use this on my face as a moisturizer to seal everything in because it's fall season where I live and it's really important to incorporate a moisturizer that provides superior hydration. And as you can see, it's really easy to massage across the face even though the formula is rich. I also appreciate that it doesn't leave a greasy feel. Your skin will definitely feel hydrated and nourished, and I feel like the more I use this product, the healthier my skin gets. After I make sure that all of the product is absorbed in my skin, my nighttime skincare routine is complete and I'm ready for bed.